Developing news tonight, the Zika virus has arrived in Tennessee. The state health department confirms one person who recently traveled to South America is the first person in Tennessee to test positive for Zika. News Channel 5's Emily Luxon joins us with the latest on this developing story. And Emily, what else do we know about this patient?
Well, we know that they live in East Tennessee and they are doing fine tonight. They have recovered. Officials from the health department say they don't want anyone to panic. They say the risk of getting this disease is very low and it's also very preventable. As concerns rise about the Zika virus, the first case is confirmed in Tennessee.
It was completely expected that we would have a case here in a returning traveler, and we fully expect to see more.
Tennessee Department of Health epidemiologist Dr. Tim Jones says while the virus may sound scary, it won't impact the majority of people in Tennessee.
If you haven't traveled to South or Central America or the Caribbean, there's absolutely nothing to worry about.
The Zika virus is spread mostly through mosquito bites and not common contact. Symptoms include fever, achiness, and red eyes, and normally go away in about a week. Pregnant women should be aware that the virus is linked to a birth defect that causes infants to be born with abnormally small heads and incomplete brain development. There's no vaccine or treatment for the virus.
It turns out, though, that this is really a very mild illness. So 80% of people who get infected will have no symptoms at all and will never even know it.
The virus is predominantly found in countries in the Caribbean and South and Central America.
So 30th, 1st, 2nd.
At AAA in Nashville, some customers looking to book vacations to affected countries are concerned. Field travel manager Deborah Turner says she's encouraging people, especially women who are pregnant, to be aware of the situation.
It's like anything else. You just need to be cautious and use your own judgment in deciding on whether you want to go.
So now, in those countries,
The Tennessee Department of Health is also working to educate people across the state and hope that reduces fears.
I think this just serves as a good time for us to remind the public about some common sense things that they can do to prevent problems.
The CDC is currently tracking all the countries where the virus has been confirmed. And if you plan to travel to an affected area, the best advice is to just protect yourself from mosquitoes. And if you experience any symptoms, call your doctor immediately. If you'd like to see a list of those countries, we have that on newschannel5.com. Reporting live in the newsroom, Emily Luxon, News Channel 5.
Good information. Thank you, Emily. Now, Tennessee is one of 16 states where Zika cases have been confirmed. Today, cases were also confirmed in Indiana, Ohio, and Delaware.